Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today is going to be a quick video to show you how to remove and replace a fuel or a primer bulb on your small engine machine. This happens to be on a kind of a pocket tiller, a small tiller, a cultivator, and like most of the small engines nowadays, they have what they call a primer bulb here. Sometimes they're called a purge valve bulb by some people, but the vernacular I've heard mostly is primer bulb, and that's how they sell the replacements labeled as primary bulbs. Pretty simple to do, but if you look closely at this one, it has crumbled. I pressed it yesterday to prime it, and it is shot. It just crumbled in my hands. The good news is it's a relatively easy fix. The good news is these primer bulbs, like this set from Forester, I think cost around $3. I'll put a link in the description on where you can pick your own up, but it's kind of nice because it comes with 4 different bulbs and then a bulb assembly. And we're going to use the bulb assembly. And let's take a moment to look at that bulb assembly. You see on the right hand side 2 little kind of prongs that are angled at the end. Those are going to snap into place. And then you see the 2 round black tubes, one longer, one shorter. Those are what we actually hook up into the fuel lines. So essentially, all we have to do is unsnap this old bulb, and you do that by pinching those little spirets, those little things from the bottom. I'll try to get an angle here to show you that. Okay, under the bulb, yep, I'll hold it still. See, one is right there. Got my finger on it. I'm gonna get a light over here. Maybe that light will help. Okay, that's a pretty good view. And there's going to be another one on the other side. And what we're going to do with our fingers is get under there and pinch and push. And that will push the bulb up through the top. The fuel lines, they got a little bit of leeway in them, so I'm going to leave them on to go through the top. And that way I'll be sure to put them in the right order again. What I'm going to do is just pinch those 2 clips together and pull the bulb forward through this. So thumb and index finger, pinch, like I can feel it moving, both sides, kind of tug, and it came free. This is now free, and you can see both those pieces come out. So what I'm going to do is open up the new one, get it ready, and then switch the fuel lines to that and push it back through. And those clips, those plastic clips, should pop right back into place, and we have replaced our fuel or our primer bulb. Okay, it comes out real nice. Here it is. Looks virtually identical to the one I'm going to replace. And we'll just set this one here. And like I said earlier, these things always wear out. Depend on how much you use it, how long it sits. But I'm going to pull the cable or the fuel line off the shorter one first. And I'm going to put that right away onto the shorter one here. Okay. Now the next fuel line is going to come off the long one. I've got the second bulb up here. I'm going to put on that longer one this time. There we go. Snap that into place. Almost there. Okay, so I've got those both on, and now I'm going to push this through that little holder, and these 2 black clips on either side should snap into place. I'll shut up so you can hear it. There we go. While it's snapped into place, I'm going to go ahead and try to secure those fuel lines a little tighter. Make sure everything's snug. This is garbage. So what you've done for about $3 in about 10 minutes work is replace your fuel bulb, your primer bulb or purge bulb, and you're ready to start this thing up. Gas lines are on and the new primer bulb is in place. Let's switch the machine from off to on. Press the bulb. Oh, nice react. Good firm. Directions say 10 times. I'm not going to do it 10 times. and we're going to give it a pull. Okay, I moved the choke the wrong way, but you can see it's working. I'm going to press prime again. Back to off. So there you go. Had a little excitement there with the extra gas coming in. So if you want to be completely safe, drain the fuel tank, disconnect the spark plug, and about 10 minutes of work, start to finish, and affordable. That's the best part. Hey, I hope this helps. Hope it lets you get the confidence to do it one for yourself successfully. If you want to buy that pack of bulbs that I showed you, that's nice to have them around so you don't have to run to the hardware store. I'll put a link in the description. But as always, thanks for watching.